Graves Motorsports brake line kit for the 2023 Kawasaki ZX-4RR. This Graves Motorsports kit is designed to remove the stock ABS pump and remove ABS out of the system. This allows the rider during performance braking to have a better feel of his tire to the road. ABS is a great system for many novice riders in very uncertain conditions, but for racing and racetrack use, riders typically choose to remove the ABS, especially me. So this kit and all the kits that Graves Motorsports makes includes the front brake lines and the rear brake lines, and it's a modular kit. So when I say it's modular, the rear brake and the front brake, the front is set up so that there's a T-joint here, and you assemble it like this, and this would go to the standard master cylinder and to your two calipers. So let's say that you wanted to change from a stock master cylinder that has a horizontal or a vertical banjo, and you were going to install a performance racing master cylinder like the Gale Speed, which this is a 17 millimeter piston with a 16/18 adjustable ratio. It would have a horizontal banjo attachment, so it's very different than having the vertical, and so you need a different brake line. So a lot of times track day and racers, they need to have that flexibility so that you could simply just remove the upper brake line, and you could add this brake line that we offer. Turn that up so you can see the part number, and you'd be able to add the Gale Speed master cylinder. We also make them modular because many of the customers that Graves services would like to add data to the motorcycle. So this modular kit can also allow you to install this brake sensor block and this other brake line that we offer. And now you've got the setup for measuring your front brake pressure. So that's pretty cool. Another thing that we do in the kit is we leave the shrink wrap that seals the banjo and its timing to the line. We leave it loose so that once you get the banjo tight onto your caliper or your master cylinder and you want to make a small adjustment in the twist of the line, you can make that twist, and then you can use the heat shrink to seal that twist so you can get the brake lines to have a nice smooth flow like you see here.